Hello, today being the 11th day of the epilepsy awareness program, I'll be talking about genetic epilepsy. We all know genetics can be related to hypertension, diabetes, and even Alzheimer's or schizophrenia. Even it can also lead to the epilepsy. Here, what happens is if there's any mutations in the gene, it can cause increased electrical signals in the brain, that is known as seizures, and it can cause convulsions, which leads to epileptic episodes. So it can be inherited parental, so that is known as familial epilepsy, or it can be occurring at any point of your life. That's known as spontaneous or de novo type of epilepsy. What is mechanism? Again, there is abnormal proteins as in all other conditions where abnormality in the protein leads to the disorder. Here also the same, where the ion channel transporter or the receptor for the neurotransmitters or the vesicular proteins that are required for the transmission of the neurotransmitters are defective. As I told the mechanism, let's go to the diagnostic approach of this. So diagnostically, how we can detect? One, we can ask the family history. Family history contains epilepsy in the family, like in relatives or in their uncles or in their cousins. And we can also take the help of EEG pattern to detect the epilepsy. Also, we can take the targeted panels where there are known genes for the epilepsy, and we can detect it by the recombinant DNA technology and other technologies that is available. Next is treatment implication. We can give them precise medicine that is targeting that mutated gene or the proteins produced by that gene, or also as the family, if it is known priorly, we can ask the family to undergo a counsel, and we can detect it as early as possible and we can treat for that. So this was all about genetic epilepsy. Thank you.